बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। आज का जो टॉपिक है इट इज़ फॉर क्लास 10th सब्जेक्ट बायोलॉजी। हमने ट्रॉपिक मोमेंट्स पढ़ी, तो आज जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं दैट इज़ नास्टीज और नास्टिक मोमेंट्स। अस पुर वुनिक ताई कि इन ट्रॉपिज्म ट्रॉपिज्म पुर तथ मज स्टुमुलस गसान, तथ मज प्लांट या प्लांट पार्ट यूज करा मूव टोवर्ड नत करी टोवर्ड्स द स्टुमुलस, नत उस करा और अवे फ्रॉम स्टुमुलस। जो चीज ट्रॉपिज्मस मज नत स्टुमुलस टोवर्ड्स द स्टुमुलस, यपर स्टुमुलस तपरी गई रेस्पॉन्स तथी डायरेक्शन में, नत अगर स्टुमुलस लेफ्ट साइड यह चल राइट साइड, यह चल अवे फ्रॉम द स्टुमुलस। जो वत आस तत मगर कह प्लांट्स तम इन सम प्लांट्स द मोमेंट ऑफ प्लांट पार्ट इज नीदर towards the stimulus nor away from the stimulus. That is the moment of plant part in some plant is not in a particular, it's a particular direction with respect to stimulus. The moment of plant part in response to external stimulus in which the direction of response is not determined by the direction of stimulus is called nastic moment. अस वनो यह कि यम जाय न डायरेक्शन कर मैटर, स्टिमुलस आस पत हाय न डायरेक्शन या जो सोर्स जो चीज जो वत नत गई अवे फ्रॉम द स्टिमुलस गसन, नत गई टुवर्ड्स द स्टिमुलस। मगर यम कह प्लांट्स तम यमन जायन मूवमेंट गई प्लांट पार्ट, अगर स्टिमुलस मिल तुम प्लांट पार्ट मूवमेंट गई एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलस मिल, मगर डायरेक्शन ऑफ रेस्पॉन्स आस नॉट डिटरमाइंड by the direction of stimulus के को इसे को ये वने the moment of a plant part in a response to an external stimulus in which the direction of response is not determined by the direction of stimulus is called nastic moment. यह nastic moment यम डायरेक्शन आस पर्टिकुलर के nastic moment of plant are also called यमन वनान दोयम चीज they are also called nasties को nasties actually undetermined या not determined undirectional यमन डायरेक्शन आसा के। Nastic moments of plant are induced by stimulus such as heat, touch, यमन stimulus मिला यम induce heat, touch or contact, we can say the contact. The main difference between plant part, tropic and nastic moment is that tropic moment is a directional moment of a plant part, but nastic moment is not a directional moment of a plant part. Tropic moment which is so directional, not away from the stimulus, not towards the stimulus. Magar nastic moment it is non-directional. Just in direction moment, tropic moment is directional moment, but Gnostic moment is not a directional movement of the plant part with respect to stimulus. The direction of Gnostic movement is not determined by the direction in which the stimulus is applied. ये वो होता है भी वनो इसकी Gnostic movements मज गसा काम direction कुछ आयस कम direction from which the stimulus is applied. From whichever direction the stimulus is applied, it affects all the parts of the plant organ of the equally and they always move in the same direction. Direction कम साइड ते मगर यम गसान कम हुत ट्रॉपिक मूवमेंट्स मज अकु पार्ट या होल बॉडी ये गसान सारी पार्ट सारी ऑर्गन्स कमिक प्लांट इक्वली stimulate and they always move in the same direction. Gnostic movements are mostly exhibited by the flat organs of the plant like leaves. Gnostic movement ज़्यादा गसान कम leaf flat parts petals of flowers. Some of the examples of Gnostic movement of plant Gnosties are given below. Which the folding of the leaves of a sensitive plant. Mimosa pudica shock plant. Leaves is touch kara on touching the Gnostic movement here the stimulus is touch. The opening of petals of dandelion flower in morning in bright light and closing in the evening when the light fades is example of Gnostic movement. In this case the stimulus is light. It can one is back example the closing of petals of moonflower in the morning in bright light and opening at dark the light fades is example of Gnostic movement. In this the case all stimulus is light. Yit karo is note ki yum the tropisms tम growth movement but Gnostism Gnostic movement yum asa no they are not growth movement. Gnostic movements may or may not be growth movement. For example the folding of leaves of a sensitive plant on touching is not a growth movement. यह कौन इस growth movements में देत के but the opening and closing of petals of flowers by the action of sunlight is the growth moment. Go expur Gnostic moment it is different from the tropic moment. Tropic moment is directional. Gnostic moment is non-directional moments. Particularly tropic moments all growth moments. Gnostic moment is growth moments. Okay. So, back topic. Thank you.